Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0499 pertains to an issue with the evaporative emission EVAP canister vent shut valve circuit in the Honda Accord models from 2023 onward. This code is triggered when the signal from the vent shut valve is on, although the powertrain control module, PCM, sends an off signal. This discrepancy indicates a malfunction within the circuit, signaling an operational abnormality that must be addressed to ensure the vehicle's emission system functions correctly. The EVAP canister is integral in capturing fuel vapor from the fuel tank, preventing harmful emissions from entering the atmosphere. It works in conjunction with the vent shut valve, which controls the flow of vapors from the canister to the intake manifold. Addressing this code is crucial for maintaining compliance with emissions regulations and ensuring the vehicle runs efficiently. The EVAP canister vent shut valve is a critical component within the vehicle's emissions control system. Its main role is to regulate the flow of fuel vapors that are collected in the EVAP canister, directing these vapors safely into the intake manifold when the engine is running. This process is essential for preventing escape of pollutants into the atmosphere and ensuring a clean-burning engine operation. The vent shut valve is usually located near the EVAP canister, which is typically found in the rear of the vehicle near the fuel tank. It relies on electrical signals from the powertrain control module, PCM, to operate correctly. If there is a discrepancy, such as in the case of DTC P0499, it indicates a fault within this circuit that needs immediate attention to uphold emission standards and maintain vehicle performance. There are several potential causes for DTC P0499. A faulty EVAP canister vent shut valve is one of the most common issues. If the valve is stuck or malfunctioning, it cannot respond to the signals from the PCM, resulting in miscommunication between components. Another possible cause is a malfunctioning powertrain control module, PCM itself. The PCM orchestrates the vehicle's function by sending and receiving signals to various components, and if it's not operating correctly, it can misinterpret signals from the vent shut valve. Lastly, wiring issues, such as damaged wires or poor connections in the circuit leading to the vent shut valve, can contribute to this error. Each of these causes must be investigated to repair the underlying issue effectively. The symptoms associated with DTC P0499 can significantly impact vehicle operation. The most immediate indication of this error is typically the check engine light illuminating on the dashboard, alerting the driver to an issue that needs attention. Drivers may also notice poor engine performance, which can manifest as rough idling, stalling, or reduced power when accelerating. These performance issues arise because the faulty vent shut valve affects the air-fuel mixture and combustion process. Moreover, an increase in vehicle emissions can occur due to the malfunctioning EVAP system failing to contain harmful vapors. Collectively, these symptoms highlight the importance of addressing the underlying cause of the DTC to ensure both performance and compliance with environmental regulations. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0499 involves turning the vehicle into the on mode, which powers up the electrical systems and allows for diagnostic checks to be conducted. Following this, the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, should be accessed, with the CVS On option selected. This procedure enables the technician to observe and retrieve diagnostic data pertaining specifically to the EVAP canister vent shut valve. Monitoring this data provides insight into whether the valve is receiving the appropriate signals and whether it is functional. Should an issue arise during this step, the technician can identify abnormalities in the circuit operation, which will inform the next steps in the troubleshooting process. In this second step, the focus shifts to verifying the functionality of the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Since the PCM is pivotal in regulating the vehicle's systems, inspecting its output signals for the vent shut valve is crucial. A technician should evaluate whether the PCM produces the correct on-off signals as expected. In tandem, individual components within the EVAP system should be tested for their operational integrity. This includes checking the EVAP canister vent shut valve for any physical issues, such as blockages or electrical faults. Successful evaluation at this stage is essential. If any component isn't functioning correctly, it must be repaired or replaced to resolve the DTC effectively. After repairs have been made for DTC P0499, it is imperative to verify that the repairs successfully resolve the issue. The first step in this verification process is to reset the diagnostic trouble code DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS. Following the reset, a comprehensive road test of the vehicle should be conducted to ensure that everything operates smoothly. During this road test, the technician needs to observe the vehicle's performance, particularly focusing on aspects of engine performance and emissions. Finally, a post-repair diagnostic check should be performed to confirm that no codes have reappeared. This thorough verification process helps guarantee that the problem has been completely resolved and that the vehicle will operate correctly moving forward. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0499, it is essential to implement preventive maintenance measures. Regular inspections of the EVAP system should be undertaken to ensure that all components are functioning correctly and that there are no blockages or leaks that could impede performance. Additionally, monitoring the electrical system connected to the EVAP canister vent shut valve is crucial. Any signs of wear or damage should be addressed immediately. Routine checks of the electrical harness can help identify potential points of failure before they cause a malfunction. By maintaining vigilance over these components, drivers can better ensure the reliability of their emissions system and prolong the life of their vehicle. In conclusion, understanding the components and functions involved with the evaporative emission (EVAP) system is crucial for addressing DTC P0499. This code indicates a malfunction in the vent shut valve circuit, which can impact vehicle performance and emissions. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps can effectively diagnose and remedy the issue, ensuring that the vehicle maintains its efficiency and compliance with emission standards. Furthermore, performing regular maintenance on the EVAP system and monitoring its functionalities can help prevent future occurrences of this diagnostic issue. By staying proactive in vehicle care, Honda Accord owners can enjoy a smoother driving experience and maintain adherence to environmental regulations. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.